For a short time, it was the best thing in my life. And now that you have gone, everything feels like it was less than it was, but the rest of my love. But when I fell that night, like a message above, felt the peace in my heart, and I knew what I would do. But why do they care? What we built we can't lose. But I opened the door, then I tore through the floor. Think I broke their hearts more than I could've with you. Because I look at their faces, now that we're in separate places. I know I just can't explain it, but something switched in the gauges. Or it's the shame and the guilt from both the years that we wasted, when we could've worked it out, but I dipped and I faded. I wanna stay the same, but I wish I was different. You're so scared of the change, that you ain't really living. 10 years from this day, and I bet you'll never listen. Now we gone our own ways, I still wish that you visit. So distant.
When the going gets tough, I run far away, run far away, run far away. When the road will get rough, I run far away. And if that never changed, I will still run anyway.
I can never regret, from beginning to end, all the lessons we set and the memories met. And what really sucks to me is all my friends that you kept, moved around the world for you, introduced me to them. They all thought I was great from the message I left. They could never understand what I dealt with in bed, when the lights go out or when they're well overhead, like interrogation lights trying to get me to crack. All the people in our life, they all felt we was great, didn't see us fall apart, cause I said we was straight. Everybody was ready that we were setting the date, but the knot was too tight, the tension helped me to snap. Wanted the same thing, so we sat down and planned it. But the map that we made, it just seemed too contrasted. So I had to make a choice, and this summer was drastic. But my girl was back home, so the choice was emphatic.
When the going gets tough, I run far away, run far away, run far away. When the road will get rough, I run far away. And if that never changed, I will still run anyway. When the going gets tough, I run far away, run far away, run far away. And when the road will get rough, I run far away. And if that never changed, I will still run anyway. When the going gets tough, won't stay in one place. I've got to escape and run far away. When the road will get rough, I could stay in one lane, turn out just great, still run anyway. When the going gets tough, I run